While Perfect Locks offers multiple installation methods across our portfolio of luxury hair offerings, each of these methods and product types is optimally designed for specific hair types. We proudly present the Perfect Locks method, or PLM for short, a versatile method that works for every hair texture. It is compatible with any weft type, from hand-tied to hybrid wefts. Best of all, it's damage-free, requiring no bonds, braids, tapes, or tension. When it comes to styling versatility, this method is second to none, allowing for everything from ponytails to updos and parts any which way. The wefts should be prepared before installation. This includes cleansing, conditioning, and detangling. We strongly recommend hanging the weft to make installation easy and keep the hair free of tangles. Start by taking clean sections along the ear line. Start your first section here, cleanly parting the hair and clipping it out of the way. On the sides of this first section, make sure this clean part is a few fingers up from the hairline, so the weft can be invisible when the hair is worn up. Check to make sure your side sections are even. Use the Perfect Locks wax stick to cleanly move every stray hair out of the section. Otherwise, these little hairs can create discomfort and tugging. The signature foundation of our PLM method uses silicone beads, either 2mm for fine to normal hair or 3mm for thicker hair types. Using our beaded loop wand, preload all of your beads and select your first section to feed through the bead, using the width of that bead as a guide. Place the Perfect Locks Velcro clip under your first section and clip if needed. Place your first bead the width of your nail bed. Placing the loop wand on top, pinch the hair section between your thumb and pointer finger, and go in with your middle finger, pulling the hair through and keeping the loop tool close to the scalp. Push the first bead up towards the scalp with your thumb. Hold the bead at the scalp and pull the hair through with the loop wand. Using the Perfect Locks tapered pliers, pull the section back along that section and close the bead with the pliers. Repeat this step with your second beaded section, using your first one as a guide. Hold the section with your two fingers, go under the hair, placing your middle finger through the loop wand and pull that hair through. Now keep the loop tool close to the first bead and push the second bead up, and as before, pulling the hair through along your section. Leave a gap between the two beads, crimp and close the second bead as you did the first one. Repeat this step one more time, adding a third bead to create a good solid foundation for your weft application. For your next section, take a slightly wider section, the full width of your finger. Take the beaded hair and the new section of hair, split it in half with your comb and clip this hair in place. With the upper split section of hair, bead and crimp as before. Repeat this method until you reach the back of the head and have fully beaded the left side. Repeat all of the above steps on the right side of the head as well. Once completed, join the two sections of hair in the back with a bead. Use the Perfect Locks crochet tool, sliding through the bead to grab the section of hair on the left. Close the hook and slide the section of hair through. Now it's time to place your first hand-tied weft. Begin at the center point of the foundation you completed in the back. Clip the weft to secure it in place until you hit the corner bead where you started above the ear. Place the second weft on top of it between the first and second bead on the sides. Wrap it around and stop right between the first and second bead. Fold the top weft over on the sides and clip it. You're now ready to begin stitching. On this model, we're using nylon thread. Threading through the needle, take enough thread for the full head. Knot the two strands together. Begin by sewing right between the first and second bead, moving the needle through both wefts. Place a second stitch right next to the first, a method called double lock stitching. Next, work your way back around the back inside of the head to the opposite side. Once you've reached the right side of the ear, perform the same double lock stitching method to end your row. Move upwards and place your second row, repeating all of the steps above, clipping both wefts one on top of the other, and stitch all the way around the perimeter of the head. Move upwards again, placing your third and final section and row at the perimeter of the crown. Repeat all of the same steps, beading as you go. As a final step, blending is essential. A fresh haircut can help to blend the wefts into the natural hair for a completely seamless, undetectable result. For a more in-depth tutorial on this installation method, if you're a licensed beauty professional, consider registering at perfectlocks.com and get certified in a flash.